What's up, guys? Today we're back with another unboxing, and this time, wow, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I know Huawei, the company that spies on you and all that, but let's forget about all that today. What we want to focus on is this phone. Now, this phone cost a pretty penny. Actually, it cost a lot of pretty pennies. It was almost $900. No, Huawei did not sponsor this. They did not send me this phone for free. First look, this thing looks pretty nice. I mean, I can tell you just from the packaging, this packaging is like way nicer than the S10e. I mean, the S10e I know is supposed to be like the cheaper phone from Samsung's lineup this year. It was still $760 with tax, and it felt really cheap. I mean, the packaging did. The phone is, don't get me wrong, the phone is nice. We're still looking at it, still testing it, but the packaging felt dirt cheap. This thing, look at this nice, solid box, not like that flimsy one that the S10e came in. So here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at this thing. Wow. I mean, I haven't even pulled it out of the film yet, and I'm just like blown away by this color. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing out of here. Come on, wrapping. You can do it. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? Oh my goodness, this thing is nice. Look at this color. I don't know if this, okay, here we go. We're focusing a little better. Look at this color. This is just fantastic color. Wow. I had seen pictures of it and everything. Never one in person, obviously. Huawei's not something you really see out in the wild too much, especially in the States. But this thing is very nice. Feels very solid. Actually, it feels like my Note 9. Feels extremely similar to that, and holding it. And, you know, I'm sure they took some design cues from Samsung stuff. That's to be expected with Huawei. But man, oh man, does this design feel good, and does this phone look sharp? I mean, it looks amazing. 3 cameras there. Nice array of cameras and flash there. Build looks phenomenal. Now, I haven't had a Huawei for a while, and the last one I had was a real big letdown. Not necessarily the hardware, but the terrible, absolutely terrible UI. And I could not get a different launcher to override that Huawei launcher. It was just horrific. Now look at this. This is a red button here to stand out. Volume rocker above it. This is supreme. This is superb, actually. I really like this. SIM tray on the bottom. That's a little different. Got some kind of IR port there or something. I haven't really looked at the full spec lineup on this thing yet. Although I know the main specs, which is why we picked it up. Let's see if she powers on. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe Huawei sends you dead phones and you have to charge them. Certainly looks that way. Unless that red button is not the power button, but I don't see another power button. Alright, so we'll have to charge this thing and start messing with it. Let's take a quick look at what else is in the box here while we're at it. SIM ejector tool, the standard lineup, little thing with the, oh, look at this, they give you a case. Oh, that's nice. That'll keep it safe. Look at that. Nice little TPU case. Very cool. Type-C charger, fancy purple coloring there, match the phone I suppose. Now as you notice, this phone did not have a 3.5mm jack, so they give you Type-C headphones, which is kind of cool. They look just like Apple Pods, which is disgusting. I hate those. And a little Type-C to 3.5 adapter. And I got the big ugly European charger, which kind of stinks because I can't use it here. They did not mention that in the for sale ad. Okay, anyways, that's what's in the box. That's the phone. It looks amazing. Can't wait to give it a try. Do some tests on it. See how it charges. See how it holds. See what the camera looks like. And we'll be reporting back soon. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Till next time, have a good one.